Hey everyone, this is Aaron from ARD Cruising. I have recently gotten off of a Princess cruise. On that cruise ship, I got a instant certificate, and I got off the cruise about almost 3 weeks ago, and I've already received my first marketing email offer. So I wanted to kind of walk you through what those look like, and I did book my instant certificate and how I got through that, and then what it looks like when you receive your marketing offer. One of the things I want to start off with is the instant certificate you get on the cruise ship. I was watching another video and led to believe that any offer you receive will show up on the website and you'll be able to book your own on the website. That does not work with the instant certificates. It actually says on the inside of the certificate, to book this exclusive offer, you or a travel agent must call. So to redeem your instant certificate, you do have to call Princess to get your booking completed. One of the things I was really impressed with, as opposed to other cruise lines, was that there was no restrictions on it. I was able to book the Star Princess. The Star Princess is the brand new ship from Princess that came out in November. It was just christened by the McConaughey's, and I was really excited to see I could get that. And it was an Alaska cruise for this coming June, so I was able to call them at the beginning of February and have a cruise booked on the brand new Star Princess, leaving actually May 31st through June 7th. That was really exciting. I was able to use my instant certificate offer for that. And being owned by Carnival, the process was very, very similar as to booking a Carnival cruise offer. That when I called up, there was taxes and port fees is what I had to pay, and then there was $200 per person deposit that gets returned to you on the ship as onboard credit. That seems pretty similar with Carnival. Typically, my cruises I book with Carnival are about $400, but I get $200 returned in onboard credit. So it's pretty similar. Overall, the booking cost me $1,000, so it was $500 for myself, $500 for my wife, and we were able to go that. But 400 of it is going to be coming back to us as onboard credit when we get on the ship. Some key things I want to remind you about when you do get that instant certificate. You only have 45 days of issuance to book that cruise you want to take. And that's actually a little less because you cannot use the certificate until 10 days after debarkation. When I called to book that Alaska cruise I was talking about, they actually asked when I had debarked, just to make sure it had been long enough before I could use the certificate. So you have to wait 10 days before you can use the certificate, and you have to book it before 45 days after debarkation, or you lose the certificate. And if you do look at the certificate, it does have the dates on there for you. So it actually shows bookings between January 18 is when I got off. I had to wait 10 days after that before I could use it. And I had until March 14th to book that cruise. Okay, now let's go take a look at the email marketing offer I received about 3 weeks after our disembarkation. Okay, so I want to start off with the email that I received from Princess. This came, like I said, just shy of 3 weeks after I debarked the Regal Princess, my first ever Princess cruise, where I did earn 13,000 points on that cruise. So, simple enough, deals on deck, see Alaska and a free stateroom. Don't miss your chance for Alaska, a free balcony stateroom, plus $200 free play, and $100 onboard credit, plus drinks on us in the casino. Really good offer. And click book now in the offer. Now, this is on the Princess Cruise website. I am already logged in, which is why I went straight to it. But if you just go straight to the Princess Cruise website, because it is now on here, you will also see these numbers. So right now, this is taxes and fees per person to go on these cruises. So I have the Discovery Princess, Island Princess, Grand Princess coming from Anchorage. There is a 7-day from Vancouver. The Emerald Princess, I'm just on that one. 7-day Voyage of the Glaciers from Vancouver to Anchorage. And then another one from a round trip from Vancouver. So these are the prices that were shown. So up here, you will see it says interior. So even if I go to balcony, which is what I earned, it is the same price. If I just pick one of the cruises to go look at, so here's the May 16th to the 23rd. You will see the balcony 460, interior 460. On some of the other offers, the Ocean View was also the same price, but you will see that across the board. And then you would go in and you would book this like normal. Number of guests they're going, and then you can choose balcony guarantee, balcony C460, balcony. So, and then the higher quality balcony, the deluxe balcony 635, it goes a little higher, but still looks like at a discounted rate. So if I go in, let's just choose a balcony. And then you go in, choose your cabins, and you would book it just like you would any other cruise you're taking. So this is a little more convenient. Again, being part of Carnival Corporation, it's the same way for Carnival. So it is very easy and convenient where you can book it yourself, book your own cabins. It is a very nice help. But this will start once you start receiving email marketing offers. And again, like I said earlier, the instant certificate offer you receive on the ship, you must call. That will not show on the website. That is all I have for today's video. If you liked it, if you found it helpful, if you learned something, please like and subscribe below. I have many more videos coming. Actually a week from today is Sunday, the 8th of February. A week from today, I will be boarding the MSC Seascape for a $25,000 tournament. I will be documenting all of that, kind of walking you through what that looks like if you're interested in that. But until next time, happy cruising.